Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about how to download Netflix app on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Netflix app in your mobile phone, first go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iOS user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar, type in Netflix app. You can easily find this app. Now tap the install button. While installing or downloading the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. Netflix is a subscription-based streaming service that allows without commercials on an internet-connected device. You can also download TV shows and movies to your iOS, Android or Windows device and watch without an internet connection. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can see the ratings and reviews as well. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app by clicking open it. To operate this app, you need to sign in your account. After that, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Netflix app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys.